Much YouTube pay me for the month of August. At the end of this video, I am going to be showing you guys how much I've been able to earn for the month of August. Welcome to another beautiful how much YouTube pay me video. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how much YouTube pay me for the month of August. Okay, so if you're a new YouTuber, you're looking forward to how much YouTube pay me videos that can actually encourage you, step up your mindset and make you feel like the hustle you're actually doing on this YouTube street is not a waste, then this video is actually for you. So hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's just get right into my screen record before we talk at the end of this video. I'm going to go ahead and start my screen record. So my screen record is all started and this is the beautiful moment. And I'm going to be talking about my second channel, which is the Sonia Onoja channel. Mind you, this particular channel, I did not even upload up to 10 videos last month. Yes, I did not upload up to 10 videos last month. So the videos that is actually working for this channel are videos that were already on this channel, okay? I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So anyways, let me go into the analytics, then we're going to be talking at the end of the day. So for the overview of this channel for the month of August, because if you've checked this other side, I've already changed my stuff to the month of August so that you guys can be able to see it very clear. And yeah, for the overview for the last for the month of August, I got 37,000.9k view. Okay, so and for the impression, I got for my content, impression of my content for videos, I got 272.6k impression, and then for the impression click-through rate, it was 10.6, and of which is very good for my channel. Okay, and then for my average viewer duration on all of my videos that did well during the month of August was 2 minutes 28 seconds. Okay, so this is just for my videos. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead to click on what shorts. So for my shorts, I got what 154 short views, because I think I only posted just one short on that particular channel. Like I said, I was not really serious with that channel. And then for the short feed, it was 198, and then for the likes, it was 19 likes and the rest of that. So let's go to the live stream. Okay, I did not even live stream at all on that platform, but because of my old live streams that were on there, like they were still doing good, so I got 3.7k view and I got 25.9k impression, and my impression click-through rate was 11.0, and of which is very good. And my average viewer duration coming from that, my live streams were what 3 minutes 51 seconds. So now let's click on all so that you guys will see all. Okay, so on the all overview, this was how my performance was. And for my performance, it was what videos was 18.3, live stream was 1.4, and short feed was 44. Okay, and if you check down here, you're going to be seeing that overall impression 303k, and overall view from impression 31.9k, and watch time from impression 1.4k. Okay, so let's leave this place and go to the audience that actually watch for last month. So for my last month audience, I have returning viewers of 4.3k. okay, and I have unique viewers of 24.this. You can see that my returning viewers, this thing is showing poppo, which is the returning viewer is poppo, which is down, and the new viewers, which is sorry guys, which is new viewers watch more than the returning viewers, and I'm grateful for this. And then let's go for the unique viewers. For the unique viewers, I have what 24k, and then for the subscribers, I have 528 subscribers in total that actually joined this channel. And you guys can see format featuring and every other stuff, so that I don't get to be making this thing so long than it is. And then for my subscriber, they say subscribers notification of your channel, and subscribers who turn on notification is what 9.0, which is 563 waiting. Anyways, let's leave that one because I know that a lot of people just want to see what Sonia made. Okay, then let's go to the revenue of this particular video. So for the revenue of this particular video, of this particular channel, for last month, this channel generated $51.12. Okay, and I'm grateful. Okay, and then okay, so you can see it here. This channel generated for last month, it generated what for the month of August. This channel generated 51.12k dollars, which is $51.12. It generated $51.12, and I'm grateful for this. So let's see for super chats. Super chat was 0 because so let's see for membership. Membership was $2.25. Some persons actually joined the membership there. And then for short feed is just 1 cent. And then for watch paid ad, another, which is going to be the most sweetest part, is what, 48.86 cents. Let me stop the screen record. So this channel was actually the channel that I did not record that much. I did not film much for this channel. The content I was really putting out, I was planning to like put out more on this channel, was my lifestyle content. But at some point I have to switch my lifestyle content from there, because I noticed that most videos that I uploaded on this channel, this was my tutorial channel, and this is the beautiful part of tutorial channel. There was a month I did not even upload at all on this particular channel. I was still able to like get something, you understand? So whenever Sonia is telling you that create a new channel, create 2 channels, don't just base your life on just 1 channel. Okay, if when I was not really doing well on that my other Vibe with Sonia channel, if I get some revenue from this place and I get some revenue from Vibe with Sonia, if I join it together, it will make up my threshold. Okay, so it is good. Even if you don't want to be creating so much on this part, on this new channel that you're going to be creating, but I advise you to get a new channel. I advise you that if you're already on YouTube street, don't wait till when you will say, oh, I dey blow, before you now start having another channel. Get another channel. Okay, anything can happen. Nobody's praying for bad thing, yes, but anything can happen, that at least you have another channel to like rely on. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. And if I did not post on this particular channel and I was able to get this, imagine me posting this month, because this month I've been posting like every day on that particular channel. I've been doing more of screen record and posting every day. You're definitely going to know that this month is going to be like a bit super, and most of the views are coming from my videos, because most of the videos I did there were tutorial videos. One good part about tutorial video that a lot of people don't know about is they keep getting views as days goes by. Okay, I'm not saying that lifestyle content don't get views, they also get views, but you can't compare them to topics that people are actually searching. If you go to internet and search poppo tutorials or any other stuff about a little bit stuff about poppo, you will see my video pop up there. So it will also enable a lot of people to like view from the search through button or whatever they call it. Okay, so do content that are valuable, do content that are searchable, so that even when you get to that point that you are not uploading, or 1 or 2 things happen, you can no longer upload, those old ones can actually bring some coins to your table. I keep saying it, even on this on this channel that you guys are actually watching this video, the video I upload now might have like 200 views, 300 views, 1k views. They might not be bringing so much coins, but the tutorials I've been uploading that are also doing well will continue to multiply the views, and at the end of the day, Sonia will definitely be cashing out. So I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. If you get what I'm trying to say, let me know in the comment section that yeah, I got what you're trying to say. So don't depend on just having 1 channel. This channel gave me $51 and some cents just for just that 1 channel. Okay, not this particular one. And you guys know that that is not my really main channel. That is just a substitute channel, or a secondary channel. Yes, because I do more of the things I do here, I do more of the work I do here, I do more of the research I do here. That place I just basically just do put 1 or 2 things there, and at the end of the day I'm still able to get something out of it. Okay, so don't say Sonia did not tell you that you should not get another channel. Go and get another channel. That's the advice I have for you. But if you choose not to have another channel, you choose just to depend on 1 channel, it is fine by you. Do what you feel like it's best for you. Okay, anyways, thank you so much for staying sick and hook me to the end of this video. And if you've not watched this video at this point, I say watch. You guys have watched. If you've not liked this video at this point, do well to like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And with no further ado, I do like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.